This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 28th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure this morning, even though we did have a couple of economic reports coming in stronger. That would be the March Consumer Confidence Index coming in at 104.2 when the guess was at 101. Also, we had the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index coming in at a -5 when a -8 was anticipated. Overall, stock index futures have held up very well in the last couple of weeks, despite all of the headlines on the banking situation. So that could be viewed as a sign of strength for the indices to perform so well on negative news. Moving over to the currency markets, we're seeing the euro currency trading a little bit higher, even though there is news that European banks have cut lending to businesses last month. Also, we have the British pound trading higher after the Bank of England Governor Bailey indicated that a further monetary tightening of policy may be warranted. And in the interest rate futures markets, we're seeing futures steady up front, a little lower at the long end of the curve. Looks like maybe a little flight to quality long liquidation in the 30-year Treasury bond futures. But longer term, I think it will be the prospects of a weaker global economy that underpins the interest rate futures markets. Any breaks should be used as buying opportunities. Also, the Fed will probably remain on hold at the next meeting. There's a small chance of maybe a 25 basis point increase, but there's also a growing chance that later this year, maybe in September, at their meeting then, that the Fed could actually cut rates. So either way, it looks like we are headed for higher prices for futures across the board. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.